Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson 3, Transportation. Lesson 3, Transportation. Do you like traveling? Yes, we like to travel somewhere. In your lower classes, you already studied about transportation. What do you mean by means of transport? All the vehicles we use for traveling and for carrying goods are called means of transport. The vehicles we used for traveling and for carrying goods are called means of transport. Can you list out some of the vehicles we are using for traveling? Yes, there are many vehicles we are using for traveling. The vehicles we use to move on road are called roadways. The vehicles we use to travel on road are called roadways. Example: bus, car, jeep, motorbike, etc. Some vehicles are move on water. Can you list out some vehicle move on water? Yes. Ship, boat, steamer, etc. move on water. These vehicles are called waterways. Do you know one vehicle need rail to move? Do you know which vehicle is that? The vehicle need rails to move? Yes, it is train. So, the train move only on rails. They are called railways. Some vehicles are fly by air. Which are they? Aeroplane, helicopter, etc. They are called airways. Today we are going to start our lesson with the story of Nasir. He is very happy because he is going to Saudi Arabia with his family. Anyone of your father is working in abroad? Yes? Have you got any chance to visit there? Yes, somebody may be visit abroad. Would anyone visit us when we are leaving for the journey? Yes, some of our cousins and relatives may come. Why they are coming? Yes, to wish you a happy journey. Who is doing the packing up of dresses and other things? Father, mother, or both of them? Yes, before the long journey, we have to arrange many things. Is the airport near to you? How you are going there? Then, how do you go to the airport? By car or by train? If you are using the car, you can use your own car or you can hire a taxi. How do you go to the airport? By car or by train? If you are going by car, you can use your car or you can hire a taxi. If you are going by train, you have to reserve the train ticket before the journey. Okay, dear children, among these, which journey do you prefer? Car or train? Yes, we like to travel in train because it is very easy to travel. It is very comfortable and safe. Nowadays, the transportation is fast and safe. But in olden times, it was not like this. The traveling was difficult and time consuming. Do you know the reason? You asked your grandparents about this. Dear children, do you know what are the vehicles the people used in olden times? Yes, they use the different types of carts, rickshaws, bicycles, ships, etc. For long journey, they used ships. And now, what are the different types of vehicles we are using? Yes, we are using the new type of vehicles, the new models of vehicles. For example, car, motorbike, metro train, aeroplane, etc. Do you know, dear children, in olden time, how the people traveled? The people traveled on foot. They walked long distances and they carried their loads on their heads or shoulders. For carrying things, they use their heads or shoulders. After that, they used some animals for carrying the load. Can you list out some animals the people used in olden times for carrying loads? Yes, donkey, horse, etc. But it was not enough for them. The human beings and animals cannot carry heavy loads. That is why they started to roll the heavy object. With the help of some rollers, they started to roll the things. For that, they used the wooden logs and they started rolling the heavy objects. Man used the wooden logs for making the rollers. Gradually, they made the wheels by using the wood. After that, they used some metals for making the wheels. Do you know now which material is used for making the wheels? What is the material used now? Yes, rubber. Now we are using rubber for making the wheels. The invention of wheels made the transportation very easy. The invention of wheels was a remarkable thing in the history of human beings. Do you know where are the other places we are using the wheels? We are using the wheels only in vehicles? No. We are using the wheels for some other purposes also. Have you seen the potter's wheel? The potter is making the pots. The potter is making the pots with the help of potter's wheel. Have you seen the crane? We are making use of the wheels there. Yes, the crane also is working with the help of wheels. Can you find some other places we are making use of the wheels? Yes, we can find different places we are make use of the wheels. How you are lifting the bucket from the well? With the help of pulley. So we know pulley. In a pulley also we are using a wheel. So you try to find out different places where we are using the wheels. Okay children, what we learned today? We learned different ways of transportation. In that, roadways, waterways, airways and railways. And the invention of wheels was a remarkable thing in the history of human beings. Other than the vehicles, we are using the wheels in cutting wheels, crane, pulley, potter's wheel and floor mills, etc. Okay dear children, Thank you. Let's conclude our lesson. Hope we can meet in the next class.